We got a phone. I'm gonna try to stop saying we got a package because I can tell it's getting repetitive, but we got a phone. In this box little thing is an iPhone SE2 that I got for only $20. I was scrolling on eBay not too long ago, looking for some cheap deals to make a video on, resell, and I found this. Looks like it has nothing wrong with it. It's unlocked, and apparently it's not broken or anything. So let's dive right in. This looks like it was packaged right at the post office. That's it. It literally just came in this, but you know what? It arrived. I have to say something about their packaging, but here it is. Has some scratches on the screen. This was labeled as an iPhone SE3, but it really doesn't matter because it was only $20. Let's get this thing turned on. It may take a minute for me to get it turned on. So I guess it needs a little boost to turn on. Oh, there we go. Looks like it needs a serious boost, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it hooked to a fast charger, get it charged up enough where it turns on, and I'll be back soon. Well, just a few minutes later, and it's already on. And looks like it works. Doesn't look like it has anything wrong with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little peek inside the settings, and I'll be back. Well, it looks like this phone was perfectly advertised. It has 88% battery health, is FMI off, and is carrier unlocked. This is literally probably the best deal I've ever gotten on eBay. $20 for an iPhone SE2. I need to run into IMEI check, just make sure it's not blacklisted, but even if it is, $20. Like, and it's in good condition as well. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna sell it. I may trade it with someone, but whatever I do, if I do sell it, I'll link it in the description. If I don't, I'll list in the description that I'm not selling it, but this is literally the best deal I've gotten on eBay. Let's see if the camera works. Oh yeah, that works. I like to use 16:9 because it simply just looks better in my opinion, because 4:3 pictures, especially on modern phones, they look outdated. But home button works. Let's make sure Touch ID works. And it's flawless. I cannot believe this. This is genuinely the best deal I've ever gotten. See if standby works. Must not be turned on. And let's get a little up close and personal with this phone. This does not really have any signs of wear on the back and only some scratches on the front. This is excellent. And there's some scratches up towards the top that you can't really see. Might be able to see it right now, but this looks like it was used in a case and screen protector all of its life. The seller also had a couple other iPhones. They had like an 8 Plus, but it was like 60 something dollars, which is not as good a deal as 20. But if it was like the same price, similar, whatever, I would have also bought that. But I guess not. I'm perfectly happy with this. As much as I would love to give you guys a longer video than just opening a random iPhone and unboxing it, that's all I can really do with this. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing I can really even test because it works perfectly fine. Again, $20. $20. But I wish I could give you guys a longer video. Unfortunately, I can't, so I guess I'll just call it end here. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Check out some other videos because I'm trying to upload a little bit more. And peace.